Here's another example problem involving multiplication of polynomials. And last time I did a problem like this a couple examples ago where there was a trinomial times a binomial. And when I worked through that example, I kind of distributed the 4x to each of the three parts and distributed the -3. But you can do it this way too. You can take and make sure that you're doing your 2x times your 4x. I'm going to distribute each of these with each of these. 2x squared times 4x would give me 8x cubed. I'm going to try to color code this, and then I need to distribute my 2x squared times my -3. 2x squared times -3 would be -6x squared. And that takes care of the 2x squared. Moving on. Now I need to make sure I take my positive 5x and multiply it by each of these parts. And this is going to get a little crowded here with all these arrows, but I need to take positive 5x times positive 4x. That's positive 20x squared. And let's pick out a new color here. And I need to take positive 5x times -3. Positive 5x times -3 is -15x. All right, so I've dealt with the 2x squared, I've dealt with the positive 5x, only one more term to go. I got to take the -1 and distribute that to each of these terms. -1 times positive 4x, negative times positive is negative, that's -4x. -1 times -3 would be +3. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different terms here. 6 different terms, but I can combine some of these like terms here and simplify this a bit. So my 8x cubed, do I have any other x cubes? No. So my final answer is going to have 8x cubed. I'm going to write this in standard form. I'm going to get my largest exponent up in the front here. And let's see here, pick a different color. I have -6x squared and positive 20x squared, nothing else with x squareds. So I can combine these. -6x squared and positive 20x squared would be positive 14x squared. I have some x's that can be combined. I have this -15x and this -4x. That's -19x. And last piece left here is this +3. No other like terms here. It can't be simplified any further than that. Final answer, 8x cubed plus 14x squared minus 19x plus 3.